prosperous age of leisure snacks, multifarious package everywhere. Flashback, a traditional retail shop displaying goods with plastic. That's old times.
TSHS was established in 1965. In the early business, we are the leading supplier of the restaurant use infrared oven. However, as for the growth of the domestic business, we are not satisfied. So we try to aim to the overseas abroad business. However, it's a really new challenge for us because we don't have any experience on global trading. So from the first telecom typing machine to the first trading staff and the first all-English introduction letter. We also joined the first overseas exhibition. Thank God, finally we got the first overseas order in 2000. Till now, we have many customers from overseas and continuously press the order to us, help us to stand firmly. In the recent year, as for the improvement and transform of the business model, they are getting more and more customer and quotation from internet. Therefore, TSHS will pay more efforts and attention on internet marketing. We will try to enhance our social media and channel in YouTube to serve more customers in the world. Thank you.
Past 50 years, we always insist on trust, specialty, high quality, and safety. We are confident to leave you for the next 50 years, and that's a promise.